Hello everyone. In today's session we will learn about 4-bit arithmetic circuit from the unit number 1 register transfer and micro operations of the subject COA. So today's objective is to learn about 4-bit arithmetic circuit, its function table, and we will also see how to draw a 4-bit arithmetic circuit. Okay. So friends, here is the diagram of 4-bit arithmetic circuit. From the circuit you can see that it is somewhat similar to 4-bit binary adder circuit. So in binary adder we have 4 full adder circuits connected in parallel with each other. Here also 4 full adder circuits are connected in parallel with each other, and moreover that we have 4 multiplexers. See, so all these multiplexers are used to choose any one of its input and transfer it to the output line, which is connected to the second input of the each and every full adder. So friends, by seeing this diagram you can simply understand that 4 full adder circuits are there, and all those full adder circuits have their first input, that is from the one of the binary number A, that is A0 in the first full adder, A1 into second full adder, A2 into third full adder, and A3 into fourth full adder. So we can see that the input A from binary number A is directly connected to the input of the full adders. Okay. Then from the figure we can also see that the second input of all the full adder is coming from the output line of the multiplexers. So here multiplexer is used to choose among the different alternatives. Okay, so that we will see which inputs are given to the multiplexer. First of all, see, S0 and S1, these two are the selection lines that are attached to each and every multiplexer, and as we know that multiplexer is used to select its available inputs from its selection line. It will choose which one of the input to transfer on its output line from the value of a selection line, right? Now let's see which are the 4 inputs. So first input of on the 0th line of each and every multiplexer is B0, B1, B2 and B3 bits. That means it's all the 4 bits B0, B1, B2 and B3 directly connected to the 0th line, 0th input line of the multiplexer, each and every multiplexer, right? Then in the first input line of each and every multiplexer we can see that the inverted value of B, that is B0 dash, B1 dash, B2 dash and B3 dash are connected. Then in second input line the value of directly 0 is connected, and in third input line the inverted value of 0, that is 1, is connected directly to the last input of each and every multiplexer. From these all the values we can simply generate the different micro operations, and all different kind of arithmetic operations can be implemented using this single circuit. Now let's see which different micro operations can be implemented using this circuit. So here is the list. The output of the binary adder is generated as output digit D, output data D, and that can be shown with the equation A plus Y plus C in. Here C in is a input carry. A is a one of the binary number and Y is the input from the multiplexers. So let's see the chart. From the chart we can say that if all the both the selection lines of the multiplexer are 0 0 and input carry is also 0, then the output of the multiplexer will be B itself, the binary data B itself, that is our second operand. So it can simply perform the addition operation of A and B. So if we apply 0 0 0 to S0, S1 and C in all these three inputs, then the circuit will behave as a binary adder. Now if we apply 0 0 to S0 and S1 and input carry 1, then Y will remain as it is, that means B, but the output of the circuit will be addition with carry. That means we can add a carry bit into the adder. So A plus B plus 1 will be performed. After that, if we see that if we give S1 equal to 0 and S0 equal to 1 and Cin equal to 0, then the output of multiplexer will become B dash and the circuit will perform subtract with borrow. A plus B dash means subtract with borrow. Then next, if we apply S1 equal to 0, S0 equal to 1 and Cin equal to 1, then output of the multiplexer Y will be is equal to B dash. So the circuit will perform A plus B dash plus 1, that is a subtraction operation. Same way, for the different values of S0, S1 and input carry Cin, we have different micro operations from the same circuit like transfer, increment, decrement, addition, subtraction, addition with carry and subtract with borrow. Now let's see how to draw this circuit and how it works. So we will see the working of arithmetic circuit. So first of all, we will draw all the 4 multiplexers and all the 4 full adder circuits. Then apply input A0, A1, A2 and A3 directly to the X0, X1, X2 and X3 inputs of the full adder. Now let's apply all the 4 different inputs of the multiplexers. So B0, B1, B2 and B3 will be directly connected to the 0th line of all the multiplexers. And B0 dash, B1 dash, B2 dash and B3 dash will be applied to the first input line of all the multiplexers. After that, 0 will be applied to all the multiplexers second line input and 1 will be applied to all the third input line of all the multiplexers. Now apply selection line S1 to the S1 input line of all the multiplexers and selection line S0 to S0 input line of all the multiplexers. Here S0 and S1 both are the selection line to the multiplexers. Now apply carry Cin to the first full adder input C0. So this is our input carry and apply the output lines, connect the output lines of all the multiplexers to the Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3 inputs of the full adders. Then we will get the output data D0, D1, D2 and D3 from the each and every full adders as well as carry C out in the output. Now let's take one example. Say value of S1 and S0. S1 is equal to 0 and S0 is equal to 1, and at the same time carry C in is equal to 1. By applying 0, 1 selection line to each and every multiplexer, the B dash line input, that is first input line of each and every multiplexer, will be selected and it will be transferred to the output line of the multiplexers, and this output line is directly connected to the second input of all the full adders. So we have also applied carry C in, that is input carry is equal to 1. So simply this particular input will perform binary subtraction operation, right? Because we are applying input A as it is plus B dash from each and every multiplexer plus input carry C in is equal to 1. So this particular selection line and input carry will perform binary subtraction operation. So this is the way how a simple arithmetic circuit can be used to implement different micro operations. So friends, I hope you enjoy the video. Keep learning. Thank you.